guys, it's Kevin with K Squared Fitness. Today I'm going to be breaking down the tuck pulse. Alright guys, so key points of performance. Today we're getting into another exercise that helps you get a really strong hollow body, one of my most foundational movements. I'm going to break that down again real quick. So first thing I want you to get in the habit of doing, arching your back and then intentionally rolling your pelvis. That's going to help train you to have a flat back. And then your upper body, I want you to compress it down. So arch your back, roll your pelvis, compress it down. Will train you to have a really flat back. So tuck position helps you get into a more neutral spine even more. Knees are intentionally together, and then you're trying to get your knees over your hips. Now even this right here, so long as I keep my upper body compressed, is a lot of core work. If I'm here, this isn't getting a lot. So pull your ribs down, hands overhead. Full extension is the hollow body without any arching in the back. Today we're going to do a drill here, tuck pulse, to help train you to keep your rib down versus falling back here. So I want you to think about every time you're pulsing, you're trying to reach. That's the tuck pulse. Keep your knees together. Maybe every 5 or 10, you try to get a little higher and a little higher. Because just like anything, whenever you start to fatigue, you're going to start going back to where the easier part is. Stay compressed, keep your knees together. That's the tuck pulse. Get after it.